It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and Catherine, and in today's video, we're gonna tell you the 5 mistakes that you should not make at In-N-Out Burger in Las Vegas.
That's right.
Before we get started, if you are interested in more food videos, be sure to subscribe to this channel, All You Can Vegas, for more videos about food in Las Vegas. Tip number 1, do not eat at the In-N-Out on the Strip. On the Las Vegas Strip, right there at the LINQ Promenade, it's where most people who visit Las Vegas probably will be eating In-N-Out. But actually there are, at last count, about 17 In-N-Outs around Las Vegas. And the closest one to the Strip, the one that's not on the LINQ, at the LINQ, is on Tropicana and Dean Martin Drive.
You should go to that location because 1, it's not as crowded, and 2, they have a merch store, a company store where you can get In-N-Out merchandise like socks and leggings, t-shirts, you name it.
And best of all, it's cheaper than the one on the Strip. Next, don't go to In-N-Out without first knowing how the menu works. If you've never been to In-N-Out before, it's not as easy as it might seem.
You have a double-double, that's the most famous item. Cheeseburgers, hamburgers, French fries, and shakes. 3 flavors of shakes, by the way.
Right, but essentially it looks like there's only like 4 or 5 things that you can choose from, but there's so much more because of the secret menu. Now the double-double, which is the one that's just on the menu as is, if you order it just like that, just say a double-double, what that means is double meat and double cheese. In other words, two patties of meat, 2 slices of cheese. And here's how it's prepared. It comes with the cheese, the lettuce, the tomato, the onions, and you can choose how you get your onions cooked. It's not obvious that you can do that, but there are actually several ways. You can get raw onions that are whole. You can get raw onions that are chopped. You can get grilled onions that are whole or grilled onions that are chopped. And spread, which is the famous In-N-Out spread. Stay tuned to the end and we'll tell you what that spread is made of. It's a secret. So the next mistake not to make is don't go in not knowing how much the extras are, because there are some things that cost extra and some things that are free. Any toppings are free on the burgers, well, except cheese, but the meat, and extra patties of meat. But aside from the extra meat or extra cheese or any cheese, there is no charge for any of the condiments, the lettuce, tomato, the onions of all varieties. And you can order extra patties and cheese, but those cost you. At our local In-N-Out, an extra patty of meat is $1.10 for each one, and every extra slice of cheese is 35 cents. Now, you know all about the secret menu. You've been going to In-N-Out Burger your whole life.
Yes.
What's the most famous item on the secret menu?
The most famous item on the secret menu is animal style. You can get your burger animal style or your fries. And that means with burgers, you can get mustard cooked into your burger patty, pickles, grilled chopped onions, and extra spread. Animal style fries consist of a slice of cheese, grilled onions, and spread, all on top of your fries.
And the thing to know is, this is something that a lot of people don't know. They just order, animal style burger, animal style fries. You can get animal style burgers at no extra charge. But animal style fries, you pay extra. The next mistake that you want to avoid when you go to In-N-Out is don't just get animal style. If you're trying to upgrade, customize, because that's what In-N-Out is all about. There are many ways to customize your burgers, your fries, even your drinks.
They have Coke, Diet Coke, root beer, Dr. Pepper, lemonade, even pink lemonade. But something that you can do is actually make a float. You can have a root beer float, but order root beer with vanilla shakes, or even a Coke float with chocolate shakes if you want. It's crazy.
Yes.
You can get a lot of variations.
You can get a pink lemonade float. You just got that the other day. Didn't you get something like that?
I did. That was good.
Now let's talk about the French fries at In-N-Out Burger. It's a bit of a controversy. I think a lot of people love the fries at In-N-Out, but a lot of people don't. And the reason for that is they're kind of, I find them a little underdone. They always come out, I think, on purpose, a little underdone. But you can customize them to be more well done. In fact, you just ask for them well. But you can actually ask for them extra well, or even, if you just want to pull it back just a little bit, light well. But let's talk about the burgers. That's what everyone goes to In-N-Out for, are the burgers.
You can get a burger on the secret menu that's unlike any burger that I've seen anywhere, really. It's called a Flying Dutchman, and it's just 2 beef patties with 2 slices of cheese.
Yeah, there's no bun. That's
bun.
essentially what it is. It's like a double-double without the bun. The burger I used to get a lot, the customization, the secret menu customization of the double-double that I used to get it protein style when I was eating keto. Stay slim. But it's basically, instead of the buns, it's lettuce. So it's lettuce wrapped, and it's honestly really good. You can get used to having sort of wet lettuce as your bun. But these days, I have a new favorite. I've been working on this customization for a while. Just adding things, subtracting things, trying things out, seeing what works and what doesn't. Now, I don't have a name for this, but this is how I order it. I start by saying I want triple meat. So that's essentially a double meat with 1 extra patty. And a double meat is what a double-double is without the cheese. So if you want a double-double but you don't want cheese, you ask for a double meat. But I ask for a triple meat. And then I add 1 slice of cheese because I just want 1 slice of cheese. I'm not getting any spread, I'm not getting any lettuce, I'm not getting any tomato, but I'm getting whole grilled onions. And I always ask for extra. And that's it. It's essentially a burger with whole grilled onions on a lightly toasted bun with 1 slice of cheese, 3 patties. All right, this is the triple meat. This is the one I've been working on for a while. It's a double, okay, they told me don't say a triple meat. You'd say, if I only want 1 slice of cheese, because that's all I want is 1 slice of cheese, but I want 3 burger patties. So you actually call it a double single with 1 extra patty. So here it is, the double single with 1 extra patty. That's 3 patties. It's got the grilled whole onions and yeah, 1 slice of cheese, light toast. Tastes like pure meat. It's my favorite. It's my new favorite, my new go-to. Well, what's your go-to these days?
My go-to these days is totally different from what I used to have when I was younger. I used to love the double-double. I still do. There are times when I still want the double-double more than anything. But these days, my go-to burger at In-N-Out is the Flying Dutchman added with grilled chopped onion. It's delicious and really, really satisfying. I also say no salt on that too. Add no salt.
Oh yeah, no salt is one of the greatest hacks of the secret menu of all that almost nobody knows about because, you know, fast food always so salty and they do add salt when they're cooking at In-N-Out, but you can ask for no salt. Now I have a new burger I'm working on. This is one I haven't even ordered yet, but we're ordering it now. It's what I call the Lucky 7 because there's 7 ingredients on this burger and only 7. And here they are. First I start with an extra toasted bun. Always good to start by telling them how you like your bun if you don't want it regular toasted. I want it extra toasted. Then I ask for cheese, cold. You can do that instead if you don't melt the cheese. So I'm getting cold cheese, lettuce, no tomato. So that's 2 things, cheese, cold cheese and lettuce. Raw sliced onions, that's number 3. Pickles, 4. Mustard, ketchup, and yellow chili peppers. That's 7. That's the Lucky 7. Now that's quite the combination of ingredients. I've never even tried it before, but I'm trying it today. All right, this is the Lucky 7 burger, my creation, the all-you-can Vegas burger at In-N-Out. It's a little hot, but juicy. Not too salty. Oh, that's perfect. Get the all-you-can Vegas special. The Lucky 7 at In-N-Out. All right, would you like to try my Lucky 7 burger? See what you think about it?
I've got to try it.
It's a little spicy.
I'm a little nervous, actually.
It's really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Get that heat?
I do.
Does yellow peppers?
I do. The peppers alone are really hot, but it all works in this, in the burger.
Yeah, don't eat the peppers straight. But actually, in the burgers, they're great.
That's really good.
The final mistake that you do not want to make at In-N-Out Burger in Las Vegas is you don't want to spend too much money. You need that money to gamble with. And there are a lot of ways actually you can save money at In-N-Out. Our favorite way is to simply order a hamburger. That's the cheapest thing on the menu. At our local In-N-Out, it's just $2.95. And you can load it up with as many extra toppings as you want, as long as it's not cheese. It's a hamburger. It's one patty, and you can get everything. Now, if you're looking to jazz up your fries at In-N-Out, obviously you might want to go animal style, but that's expensive. Animal style fries at our local In-N-Out are $4.20. Regular fries are just $2.10. So how do you jazz them up for free? Lemons. That's right. You can ask for free lemon wedges for, iced tea and some pepper packets, and you can make lemon pepper fries. It sounds crazy, but it works. It's delicious, and it's one of our new favorites.
Just make sure to order your fries well done.
Oh, that's right. They get a little soggy because you're squeezing lemon juice all over them.
Oh, yes. One more thing that you can get for free at In-N-Out, but you have to be a kid, and it has to be raining. In-N-Out Burger will give kids free hot chocolate on rainy days. I know.
It doesn't happen often in Las Vegas, though. No. But if you're watching this from somewhere else other than Las Vegas, that's the tip for you. Just wait till it rains. All right, this is the In-N-Out spread, the famous spread known around the world. This is the secret of In-N-Out right here. But we've got the truth about the In-N-Out spread. Here are the ingredients.
Okay. In the spread is mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet pickle relish, and vinegar.
There you go. That's the secret. Don't tell anybody. But if you do, tell them you learned it here on All You Can Vegas.